Hi students, good morning to all and welcome to online class. We already completed the topics 5.1 rupees and paise and 5.2 addition and subtraction of money. Okay, now we are going to start a new topic 5.3 rate chart and simple bills. First, what does mean by rate chart? Rate chart is seen in shop. In all types of shop, we are seeing the rate chart. Rate chart means nothing ma. It gives details about the rate of each items available in a shop. In a shop, they are availing some items, isn't it? No. Suppose we are going to stationery shop means there are pen, pencil, rubber, sharpener, scale, notebook, etc. Like this, many items in a stationery shop is available. Okay, in a stationery shop they are giving name of the items and near they are giving the rate for the each items. That chart is called a rate chart. Okay va? Now bill, what does mean by bill? You already know very well. Bill means it gives a detail about the purchase of our item. In a shop, same like that. In a stationery shop means there are many items, isn't it? No, that is a pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, notebooks, etc. Like this. Suppose you going to stationery shop and purchase one pencil and one scale means the shopkeeper is giving a bill for you. No, in this bill they are having pen 120 rupees and you purchasing scale 1 15 rupees. So total amount of the bill they are giving now. So that is called a bill. Okay. For example, giving here see. Observe the menu card. Okay. Priya went to the restaurant ma. Priya is one girl. She is going to restaurant and then the waiter giving a menu card. Okay, this is a menu card. The hotel name is Hotel Foods. And what are the food items having available in the hotel means idli, rava dosa, dosai, buri, masala vadai. There are 5 types of foods available in this restaurant. Is okay va? So this is called a rate chart. Understood? This is a restaurant. So this is called a menu card. In other shop means this is called rate chart. Both are same. Rate chart, menu card, both are same. Understood ma? Okay, then Priya ordered some items, no? So this is called, which items the Priya is ordered ma? Idli 4, dosa 3 dosa and 6 buri. The Priya ordered. After finishing the, finished eating means the waiter gave her a bill, no? So this is a bill. Okay ba? In a bill, see ma, in a menu card there are 5 items. But in a bill, only 3 items are there because Priya ordered only 3 items, no. So 3 items only seen in a bill. That is idli 4, dosa 3, buri 6. And also in a bill giving a price. Okay. Here see my in a menu card 2 idlis 20 rupees. Okay, 1 rava dosa 50 rupees, 1 dosai 30 rupees. 3 buri. Okay va? In a set there are 3 buris in one set. Okay va? So 3 buri 45 rupees, 4 masala vadai 20 rupees. So idli 4 so 2 rupees 20, sorry, 2 idli 20 rupees means 4 idli. Very good. We want to multiply. Okay, menu card 2 idli 20 rupees but Priya ordered 4 idli. Okay va? Now what is the prices for 4 idli means? Now we want to do the multiplication ma. Okay. We want to get a 4 means we want to multiply it by which number? 2 So 2 2s are 4 Isn't it? No. So we want to multiply by 2. So here we want to multiply by 2 means same here also multiply by 2. 20 So 22s are. Okay, there is 0 0 paisa. So same like that 0 0 put paisa. Okay va? Now 2 into 0, 0. 2 2s are 4. So 4 idli 40 rupees. Okay, same like that. Here next dosai, 1 dosai 30 rupees. Okay va? 1 dosai 30 rupees. But Priya ordered 3 dosai. Okay va? So what is the price for 3 dosai? Same like that, we want to get the answer 3 means we want to multiply by which number? 1. Very good. 1 3s are 3. Yeah, we want to multiply by 3. 1 3 is 3. Isn't it? No. So here we want to multiply by 3 means same like that. Here also want to multiply by 3. There are 3 zeros. In multiplication, multiply by 0 means 0 only answer. So here also put 3 0. Okay, next 3 3s are 9. So 9. So 90 rupees. Okay. Next, puri. Here in a menu card, 3 puri is 45 rupees. Okay va? 3 puri 45 rupees. But Priya ordered 6 puris. Now we want to get an answer 6 means we want to multiply by 3 by which number? In the third table, 6 come how many times, ma? Very good. 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay, here multiply by 2 means same like that. Here also multiply by 2. Same number. How many zeros are there? 2 0. So put 2 0. Okay va? Next. 5 2s are 10. 10 na? So put the last number 0 here. 1 is remainder. Okay, next 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 90 rupees. That's all. We are filling the prices. Now we want to find out the total amount, no? So 4 idli 40 rupees, 3 dosai 90 rupees, 6 puri 90 rupees. Now we want to find the total. What is mean by total? Addition. So we want to do the addition. Pies is for 0 0 0 va? So same like that, put the point and kept 0. Okay, then here also 0 0 0 0. Okay va? Now we add this number 9 plus 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 18. So put 18 here. 18 plus 4, 18 in a mind, 4 in a finger, 18 after, 19 20 21 22. So put 22 here. So what is the total amount? 200, and this is 1s, 10s, 100. So 220 rupees. 0 paisa. Okay va? Understood, amma? Now take the next page. Page number 40. The bill shows the food items ordered by Priya and the total amount to be paid for her. Now Priya want to paid how many amount to the restaurant, ma? 220 rupees. Okay, this is a bill. Okay. Now from the above bill we come to know the following details. In a bill we want to know this details. Okay, name of the restaurant. What is the name of the restaurant? In a bill also having a Hotel Foods. So answer is Hotel Foods. Bill number. What is the bill number, ma? Bill number 32. So answer is 32. This is a printing mistake. Okay va? 32 is the answer. Date of the bill. In which date Priya go to the restaurant? 30/10/2019. So write down the date here. Total number of items eaten. How many items eaten by the Priya and her friends? How many items? 1 2 3. 3 items are. So put 3 here. Okay. Now total amount of money to be paid. What is the total amount? 220 rupees. So this is also printing mistake, ma. Put the total before the 20. 220 rupees. Now rate of 1 idli. Okay va? 1 idli how many rupees, ma? Here 2 idli 20 rupees means 1 idli. Very good, 10 rupees. 1 idli 10 rupees. So put 10 here. Okay va? Rate of 1 dosai. 1 dosai how many rupees, ma? 1 dosai 30 rupees. In a menu card itself having a 1 dosai 30 rupees. So put 30 here. Rate of 1 masala vadai. Okay, 1 masala vadai. 1 masala vadai how many rupees? 4 masala vadai 20 rupees means 1 masala vadai. So we want to do the division. Okay va? We know in menu card 4 masala vadai 20 rupees giving. Now we want to find out for 1 masala vadai. So 20 divided by 4. We want to find out the answer, Amma. Okay va? 20 divided by 4. Okay va? So we already learned in before unit, no? In fourth table, this is a table. This is considered as tables. In fourth tables, 20 come how many times? Say the fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. So how many fingers are there? 5. So 5 is the answer. 1 masala vadai 5 rupees. Okay va? Understand, Amma? Now rate of 2 buri set. 2 buri set. Here, okay, here 3 buris. In a one set, how many buris are there? 3 buris. So one set, this is one set ma. Okay, in a one set there are 3 buris. So one set 45 rupees means 2 set means, very good, 45 plus 45. So 45 plus 45. Very good. Okay, we understood, Amma? So 45 5 plus 5? 10. So put 0 here, 1 remainder. Okay. Now 4 plus 4? 8. 8 plus 1? 9. So 90 is the answer. Okay va? That's all, ma. Now the following are the items eaten by Raju. Same like that, here giving another one exercise. Okay va? Here Raju eaten items and all, here giving a bill. Okay, below they are asking a question. We want to fill in the blanks. Name of the restaurant. What is the name of the restaurant? Hotel Food. So write Hotel Food here. Okay va? Name of the restaurant Hotel Food. Bill number 32. Okay, this is a question ma. Just fill in the blanks, only answer. Okay, well, date of the bill 30/10/2019. Total number of eaten 3 items. So put 3. Total amount. What is the total amount? 3 ones. This is paisa, 0 paisa. So leave it. Now observe the rupees. Ones, tens, 100. So 310 rupees. Understood? Now take the next page, complete the given bill and find the total amount. Now we want to find out the prices and total amount. Okay va? The shop name is Feel Good Garments. This is a garments. Okay va? Feel Good Garments. Bill number 82. Okay va? Date of purchase 5/11/2019. Okay va? Here there are 5 items purchased. Okay va? The first one is sari. Okay va? Sari, shirts, jeans, towel, shawl. Okay, here giving a rate of 1 items. Okay va? 1 sari 350 rupees. Okay va? This is a rate. 1 sari 350 rupees. So now here how many qualities purchased? 2 sari purchased. Okay va? 1 sari 350 rupees means 2 sari how many rupees ma? Okay, now we want to multiply this 2 number. Okay va? 1 sari 350 means 2 sari. Do the multiplication. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 0 0 paisas are, so 0 0 keep a dot. Okay, now 5 2s are 10. So put 0 here, 1 remainder. Okay va? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 700 rupees. Okay, same like that. one shirt, okay, one shirt 200 rupees ma, but he purchased how many shirts? Two shirts, okay va? So we want to find out the price for two shirt, means put the multiplication. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros, so put 4 zeros. Okay va? 0 0 paisas and 0 into 2 0, 0 into 2 0. Now 2 2s are 4. Now 2 shirt how many rupees? 400 rupees. Now 1 jeans 700 rupees ma. Okay, 1 jeans 700 rupees. He purchased also only 1 jeans only. So put the multiplication. 700 into 1, 700. Okay va? Now towel. 1 towel 50 rupees. Okay, now 2 towel means 50 plus 50 what? 100. Okay va? So 100. Three zeros are there, so put the 3 0. Okay va? Now 5 2s are 10. So 10. So 100 rupees. Okay va? Now one shawl is 100 rupees ma. He purchased also only one shawl. So put the multiplication, means 100 into 1, 100. Okay va? Now we want to find out the total amount, means do the addition. 0 0 0 0 0 0. 0. Okay va? Here also 0 0. So put 0 0. Okay va? 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 7 2 in a 2 plus 7 7 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 2 7 after 8 9. Now 9 plus 4 9 in a mind, 4 in a finger, 9 after 10 level 12 13. Now 13 in a mind, 7 in a finger, 13 after 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now what is the answer? 20 yeah. Okay, now what is the total amount ma? 0 paise, so leave it. Now look at the rupees. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. How many thousand? 2000. So 2000 rupees is the total amount. Understood? Same like that, here giving another one question. The shop name is Feel Good Garments. Bill number 25. Date is 6/11/2019. Okay, number of items purchased, 5 items they purchased ma. Dhoti, shirt, skirt, shirt, sarees, tops. Okay va? Now one items is 250 rupees. Now they purchased also only one items only. So do the multiplication. 250 into 1, 250. So 250. 0 paise. Okay va? One skirt is 300 rupees, means 2 items. Same like that, do the multiplication. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So put 4 zeros. 3 2s are 6. So put the 6 before. Okay. One shirt is 150 rupees ma. So 4 shirt for we want to find out the price. So same like that, do the multiplication. We want to multiply this 2 number. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3. So put 3 0. Okay. Next. 1 5s are, sorry, 5 4s are 20. So put 0 here, 2 remainder. Okay, wow. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 2, 5 6. Very good. So 4 shirt 600 rupees. Understood, Amma? Okay, next. One saree 500 rupees ma, but they purchased 3 saree. So we want to find out the price for 3 sarees. So multiply this 2 number. Okay va? How many zeros? 4 zeros. So 2 0 dot again 2 0. Okay va? Now 5 3s are 15. So put 15 here. Okay va? Now one top is 220 rupees. Now but they purchased 3 top. So we want to find out the price for 3 tops. 3 tops how many rupees? we want to find out. So do the multiplication. How many zeros? 1 0 dot again 2 0. So 1 0 dot next 2 0. Okay va? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So 3 tops how many rupees? 660 rupees. Now we want to find out the total amount. Okay va? 0 0 0 0 0 0 dot, here also all down 0, so put 0. Okay va? Now here 5 plus 6. How many rupees ma? Sorry, 5 plus 6? 6 in a mind, 5 in a finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the answer? 11. So put 1 here and 1 is remainder. Okay va? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 3. 6 in a mind, 3 in a finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Now 9 plus 6. 9 in a mind, 6 in a finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 plus 5, 20. Next 20 plus 6, 26. 26. So put 6 here, 2 remainder. Here having only one number, so 2 remainder. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Now what is the total amount? 300 and, sorry, 0 paise va? So 1 tens 100,000. So 3,610 rupees. Understood, Amma? Now eat good provisions. This is a shop name. Bill number 1045. Date of purchase 6/11/2019. They purchased 5 items ma. Turmeric powder, rice, ulund dal, sugar, turmeric. Okay va? Now here giving a one packet. Okay va? Turmeric powder 1 packet 25 rupees means 2 packet 25 plus 25 what ma? Very good, 50 yeah. Do the multiplication. 2 0. So 2 0, keep dot. 2 5 2s are 10. So put 0 here, 1 remainder. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 50 rupees. Correctly coming yeah. Now rice. 1 kg rice 55 rupees ma. But they purchased 2 kg. Same like that, do the multiplication. 2 zeros are. So 2 0 dot. Okay. 5 2s are 10. So put 0, 1 remainder. Again 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So how many rupees ma? 110 rupees. 2 kg rice 110 rupees. Now 1 kg 80 rupees means 2. They purchased a dal how many rupees? 2 kg. So multiply. 0 0 2 0 3 0 having a, so 1 0 dot again 2 0. Okay va? Now 8 2s are 16. Very good very good ma. 16 so put 16 here. Now 2 kg how much? 2 kgs of dal how many rupees ma? 160 rupees. Now sugar 1 kg 42 rupees means 4 kg. Very good. Same like that, do the multiplication ma. Dot 2 0. So keep dot 2 0. Okay va? 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. So 4 kg of sugar 168 rupees. Turmeric 1 kg 110 rupees ma. They purchased also what? 1 kgs only. So multiply it means 110 into 1. Same number because here 1 only 110. Now same like that we want to find out the total amount. Do the addition and write the answer ma. Okay. Now finished means check the answer ma. The total amount is 598 rupees. Okay va? Nothing ma. You want to just multiply this 2 number and write the answer. Finally you do the addition. Okay va? That's all. Now take the next page 42. Prepare bill. Now we want to prepare the bill. Below they are giving 2 questions. Okay, wow. This is a menu card. Okay, wow. Sorry, rate chart. In a station, the shop name, the stationery stop, ma. In a stationery shop, how many items are there? 6 items. 1 pen, 20 rupees. 1 pencil, 10 rupees. 1 chart, 5 rupees. 1 eraser, 10 rupees. 1 sharpener. Okay, this is and all. Price of 1 items. Okay, wow. 1 sharpener, 5 rupees. 1 sketch pen, 50 rupees. Same like that, we write down the bill, ma. Like that same model. Okay, wow. First write the shop name, then bill number, then put today's date. Okay, then write the items, quantity in numbers and price in rupees. Okay. First you prepare the tabular column like this. First write the shop name. I am writing A to Z stationery shop because this is a stationery shop. So I am writing A to Z stationery shop. In a left side bill number I am putting 20. Okay, here also bill number 20 I am putting. In right side you want to write today's date. Okay. Okay, put today's date 24 to 2021, 24 to 2021. Okay, yeah. 2 questions are there. 2 questions for also you put the same table column. Okay, wow. Because 2 also stationery shop. Okay. Then items. Here giving how many items, ma? Pen, eraser, sketch packet. 3 items giving, so put 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 3 after put the total amount. Here how many items, ma? 1 eraser, sharpener, pen. Here also 3 items. So put 1, 2, 3. Then below total amount. Okay, wow. Now write the items. Pen, eraser, sketch pen. Okay, wow. Write the 3 items name, ma. Okay, in a first question, Ramya brought 2 pens, 3 eraser, sketch pen. Pen. Okay, wow. Now first write the quantity, ma. 1 pen how many rupees, ma? 20 rupees. So put 20 here. Sorry, ma. He purchased how many pen? That is only quantity. How 2 pens, so put 2 here. Okay, eraser. How many eraser he purchased? Sorry, she purchased 3. So put 3. How many sketch pen? Yeah, sketch pen. So A means 1. So put 1 here. Okay, va? Now 1 sketch pen 20 rupees means 2 sketch pen means multiply 2 into 20. Okay, va? Now how many 0? 3 0. So put 0.00. 2 2s are 4. So 2 pen 40 rupees. Okay, va? Now 3 eraser how many rupees, ma? 1 eraser 10 rupees means 3 eraser multiply by 3. Very good, 30. So put 30 rupees. Now 1 sketch pen 50 rupees means here also asking 1 sketch pen only. So put 50 rupees. Now total amount means do the addition. 0, 0.0. 5 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 7 in a mind, 5 in a finger, 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now how many rupees? 12. So what is the total amount? 120 rupees. 0 paise. Now same like that. Here Ravi brought an eraser, sharpener and 2 pens. Okay, well, here an eraser also 1. Here also sharpener only giving. So 1 quantity. Pen means here 2 pen. So put 2 here. Okay, 1 eraser how many rupees, ma? 10 rupees. So put the 10 here. Okay, here 1 sharpener how many rupees? 5 rupees. So put 0, 5, 0, 0. Okay, because this is a only ones. There is no tens. So put in a tens place 0. 2 pen how many rupees, ma? 1 pen 20 rupees mean 2 pens multiply by 2. 2 pen how many rupees? 40 rupees. So put 40 here. Now find the total amount means addition. Understood? So dot 0, 0, 0 pieces. Now 0, 5, 0. 5 only having so put the 5 here. Now 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, sorry 1 plus 4, 5. Now total amount is 55 rupees. ஓகேவா? Ravi want to give 55 rupees to the shopkeeper. Understood, amma? After finish this, check the answer, ma. Now, up to this fifth lesson is over. Your homework is complete the book exercise. Okay, va? Thank you, ma.